Some people add cheese, onion or garlic, but this simple old-fashioned way is my favourite. Thick cut potatoes baked until they're buttery and melt in your mouth tender. You'll need like 1 kilo, so 4 really large potatoes, and I'm just going to go and peel them. Cut the potatoes into thick slices as best you can. Then into a bowl put about 4 tablespoons of flour, and gluten-free works fine here. Gluten-free or regular flour. As much pepper as you please, and some salt. That's a good teaspoon of salt there. Mix that around and then pop the potatoes in the flour. Well, you just want to coat them all over with that flour mixture. And I should have done this first. In a casserole dish, with or without a lid, it doesn't matter, grease it quite liberally with butter. And then get your floured potatoes and sort of just layer them side by side or overlapping a bit, just so they fit nicely into the dish. And you'll be left with some flour, just discard that. Then into a pot, pour 500 ml, 2 cups of milk, and 80 grams of butter. Now place this on the stove, and all you want to do here is just scald the milk. So just bring it up to almost boiling when it starts sort of steaming, and the butter will be melted by that stage anyway, so it's a good indication. Oops, I walked away. I just caught it in time. So as soon as the steam comes out of it, take it off the heat because it will boil over. And then take the milk and butter mixture and pour that all over the potatoes. So I don't have a lid, so I'm going to use aluminium foil. And what I like to do is just spray it with a little bit of cooking spray so nothing sticks to the top. And I'll give it a double foil. And this goes in the oven now for 1 hour in the preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius with a fan, or 190 without a fan, so a moderate oven. Very well preheated for 1 hour. So after the potatoes have been in the oven for 1 hour, remove the alfoil or lid if you used a casserole dish with a lid, and they should be really tender, which they are. And now pop them back in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes so they brown nicely on top. And they smell really good. And that looks delicious. I actually cranked up the oven to 200 and I cooked it for about 15 more minutes. Super tender. They are melt in your mouth. Beautiful, buttery, milky potatoes. And it's amazing, even though there was 2 cups, 500 ml of milk there, it's almost all gone and you're just left with lovely, delicious potatoes. And that is just one delicious way and easy to eat potatoes or to cook them.